Well, folks, hello and welcome to my horrible, horrible potato harvest. Yes, I said horrible. I did a bozo mistake, not even thinking. I was so excited this year to plant potatoes. I had planted potatoes once before, many years ago, and, I got a small box full out of just maybe 6, and it was in a container. I can't remember how big the container was, but this year I used a recycle bin. Not too big of a container. But my mistake was too much nitrogen and too much fertilizer at the wrong time. Yes, folks, I forgot to add bone meal to my compost, which is high in nitrogen. And you don't want to do that. That's great for the leaves. Oh my goodness, it came up beautifully. I can't find the picture of the potatoes growing in the compost bin. Oh no, growing in the recycle bin. Yes. Anyway, they were beautiful, and then they started to die back in the end of June and starting in July, like they're supposed to. And I was happy and go, oh boy, until I dug them up. So what I did was, it's too much for my back to handle, so I put a tarp down on my deck and I just turned over the recycle bin and I started rooting around for the potatoes. Why no potatoes on the plants? I had small little itty bitties. Yeah, it's my own fault. I over-fertilized it. You could do too much of a good thing for your plants and you wind up with nothing but green if they're root crops. Yeah, I wasn't even thinking. I don't know what my problem was this year. I just don't know. It's just a brain freeze, brain fog. I don't know. But there is nothing in the world that's more disappointing as digging up your first lushly leafed potato plant only to discover that your potatoes produce leaves but no crop. Low potato yields are a common problem of well-meaning and inexperience. Yeah, that's me. Gardeners.